going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. I'm going to show you on this site how I get discounted gift cards every single time I cash out. I'm going to give you a tutorial on what I do on this site to make money, and so you can do the same. It's completely free to use. This is the home page. The site is called Swagbucks. They have different offers that you can take on the home page. Had different cashback offers. I mean, there's a lot on here. I always tell people to read the description clearly so you can know exactly what you have to do in order to make money. All right, so this, like I said, this is just the home page. I'll go over here to answer so you can see surveys that they have. You'll see here if it has a star by it, I mean you have a high chance of qualifying for it, and show you the time and the amount you get paid for it. Over on the right here, you see your survey profile. They'll give you questions, and you get 2 cents for every 10 questions you answer. Doing this helps them to give you surveys that are more geared towards you, so you don't disqualify a lot. So I encourage you to continue to fill that out as much as you can. It will come up all the time, so you got to be looking at it. Again, I'll go over here to daily poll. They have something that a question that you can answer every day. You get 1 cent for doing it. Just easy money, easy survey. So just make sure you do that every day. Like I said, that's the daily poll. You got the surveys up here. You can do shopping. You can get paid to take pictures of receipt. Over here in Discover, they'll show you all the different offer walls that they have. So I'll click on this, and it shows you all the different partners that they're with. A lot of these offers are really just submit your email, sign up for this, answer a few questions here and there, and you get paid. It's very simple. But like I said at the beginning, just look at the description and see what it's asking you to do. That way you can make sure you get paid for it, all right? So now I'm going to show you the reward section, all the different gift cards they have, different retail stores. You'll see here these discounted gift cards I can get. I'm going to actually get one of those, but I just want to show you some more of the gift cards they have. They have PayPal, of course. They got Target. They got Walmart. They got Amazon. Lots of different options you can choose from. So, I mean, there's something here for everybody. Just, I think it's like a minimum of $1 you need in order to cash out, depending on what, which way you decide to or what you choose to cash out with, whether it's a gift card or, PayPal or whatever it is, a minimum of $1. But, lots of different options that you can choose from. All right. So, like I said, I want the discounted gift card. So I'm going to go back up here to the Visa gift card right here and click on this. And you'll see here over on the right, they have $25 gift card. I only have to give them $21.75. That's a trade I'll take all the time. So I'll click on redeem. And just like that, you just verified your gift card. You see the money went out of my account, and now I have 2,006 cents, 206 swag bucks, which is equivalent to 2,006 cents. So just that easy. This site will give you discounted gift cards every time you cash out. Like I said, there's lots of different ways you can cash out, but I just like doing the discounts just because, why not, right? So $25 gift card on the way. It takes maybe 2-3 days for it to hit my account. They'll send me an email, and I can use that gift card online for anything that I want. So I will leave the link to this site in the description. You can sign up, make some money in the new year, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.